All right, number 7. So this one's gonna go straight out ask you. I can see look over here. Look, strong positive, weak positive, strong negative, weak negative. What kind of association or coefficient do we have out here? What type of linear association exists? This is a one. This is a correlation. Is it a weak correlation, weak positive, weak strong? Is it going up? Is it going down? I have to bet I can tell you now 2, 8, 12, 17, 23 as my x goes up, right? My number of months, because the balance depends on months. My x is going up, but my y is going down. This is how life works. Pretty much. If you're a teacher, you understand this question. You get a certain amount of money per month, and then you spend it. I wish I still had $2,000 left over after 23 days, or number of months, 23. I don't know where this is coming from, but you know. Anyways, it probably has savings that we're having to get to just make it through the year since grocery prices are going up and everything. So this is negative. I can see right now just looking at it by negative. But if you're not sure, put in your calculator. All right, so here we go. Put the plus sign. Get your table going. 2, 8, 12, 17, 23. And then you just type in the numbers over here, which are 7,000. Again, see, I'm locking up over here, but yeah, we'll get through it, man. 592. Oh, think about the calculator and Inspire 84 decimals. Don't put the comma; it won't work. Out of 6, Chicken Genius. 5, 9, 3, 1, 5, 6, 8, 3, 44, 2, 8. I'm not even gonna say that number the way it is, guys. I'm taking the state test. I don't care. I'm just plugging in what I see. I know my little rules. Look at this guy. If I do this, I'm gonna have to zoom way out. And if you ask yourself, why is he zooming out so much? My Y value, 7,592, is way up here. See how it's way up here? And you can't even tell, since you're so high up, which direction this guy is really going. So you have to get a little closer. As you get closer here, this guy's to the left. This guy's a little more to the right. Let's go to that 4,000. So we're going to go to 2,800. There's my 4,000. A little more to the right. Then that 2,854. A little more to the right. So this guy's moving really steep but negative, right? But again, look. This is what we're going to do. We're going to come out here and we're going to go Y sub 1. Get all this other stuff I got going on out of the way. Put you over here. How does that sound? Click you. That little approximation thingy. MX. Just type in the 1, sub 1, plus B. Okay, now what is this going to give me? If that M is negative, then we know the slope is negative. All right? Look, the slope is negative. Negative 277. Pretty much spending $277 a month. Spending. My slope is negative, which means this graph is graphing down in a negative direction, which means my answer is a negative something. It's going to be either strong negative or weak negative. It looks pretty strong. How do I know if it's strong or not strong? Well, let's come out here to the R. The R right here. See that? And so this is going to give me the answer. And so your teacher is going to discuss this with you guys, right? That R. And it has a meaning. I usually know what the meaning is. It's some kind of regression meaning. But if it's negative 0.9907, it's pretty strong. So this guy is negative point. I'm not putting the 0, just so you can see here, 9907, which means this guy is about 99% linear. Right? And it's all the negative is saying what direction is it graphing? It's going at negative slope. But that 99 is pretty close to being a linear function. If you see things like 0.37, it's like 33% linear. It's not very, very strong. This guy's pretty strong. That 0.999, it's like your grade guy. Like if you look, let me show what I mean by that. Let's come over here. Let's go to 3.99 times 100. 100%. Get it? And if we move you again, and it's here it is 99. So it's 99% linear. Right? It's a pretty strong number looking towards 100. It's almost 1. If you get a 1, you're linear. So this guy's really strong. Okay, so that means I have a strong negative correlation. My M was negative. My R was really close to 1. and or -1, right? And all the negatives tells us what direction you're moving, and that was it. And again, I used that regression move. So out of the first 7 questions, I think we've used regression twice already. It's going to be a pattern, so you're going to see me do that regression quite a bit. You're going to see me do regression for quadratics and exponentials at some point as well. So again, I love this decimals. It's really cool. It kind of helps you with everything here. There's that regression. M told me which direction I'm going. Negative is going down. It's negative. And then the R says, hey, that's pretty strong. There's a name for it. I think I forget, but your teachers know it, and they give me, hassle. You even see what the R was. My memory's gone, man. I just remember the R. If it's close to 1 or -1, you're good to go. Easy test, guys.